In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you watch FIFA World Cup 2026. Let's get started. The tournament runs from June 11 to July 19, 2026 and will be hosted across the United States, Canada and Mexico with a total of 104 matches. To watch the games, you will need to use the official broadcaster available in your country. In the United States, all matches are available through Fox and FS1 in English, while Spanish language coverage is available through Telemundo and Peacock. Streaming services such as Fubo, YouTube TV, Hulu Plus, Live TV, and Fox Sports app can also be used to watch matches live. In the United Kingdom, fans can watch through BBC and ITV, while many other countries have their own official broadcast partners. To start watching, simply download the broadcaster's app or visit its website. Sign in or subscribe if required and tune in when the matches begin. Keep in mind that streaming availability varies by region and using unofficial streams may be illegal or unsafe. That's it for this guide. If this guide is helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.